Ay, putang ina ikaw.
Hello mga Carinas, mga ka-vlog, mga Ilocano, at ito yung buhay barko. Kasamang breakfast team. Our new chef.
With cheese, oh. With cheese, man.
Yeah, try.
With cheese. Cheddar
At
cheese, oh.
nandito kami sa dagat. Yan oh.
Only $5. Yeah, bagong.
Dito kami sa dagat. Medyo nagkatuwaan lang.
Too much expensive.
How come expensive? No, the guy. No, the expensive for him. Except for none.
Yeah, that's right.
Nagkatuwaan at
Very expensive for us.
takin ng kaunti. Oh, cheers!
Expensive, papi.
Kampay, kampay!
Bye. Yagin na mo! Yeah, gago.
Yun.
Yeah, China.
Yeah.
Sarap ng boses, no? That's good, man. 7 years already.
Ito yung buhay barko dito sa
That's good.
Bermuda Island. Sa island kami.
You know, I know someone
Ciao.
he contracts tornado
Already.
Filipino guy. Yeah, Filipino guy we say. That's why